So I click, if I want to open Microsoft Office Word, example, let me first delete this. I click, right click, then go to new, then Microsoft Office Word. So this is it. So if I want to rename it, I can right click, then I go to rename, then I tap,
Rename.
then I can call it maybe files. So then I double tap on it, or I right click, open. So this is Word, okay? So I can type in, my name is Tegeka, okay? Then I say highlighting, we can triple click 1, 2, 3 on the touchpad, 1, 2, 3, you see? Or we can double click, lock, and drag, double click, lock, and drag. Or we can hold down left click, then and move the touchpad. I think you remember that. So I say anything you do on the computer, like for example, this office suite, you must highlight the word. So you come to home, we have these navigations: home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailings, and everything. So today we are going to look at home, okay? Then I said within home, we have a copy. You can copy this, then you can come, go down and paste. You see, they have become two. So that is copy and paste. What about cut? I can select, then I say cut, then I cut, it cuts everything. For example, if I go back and I select everything, then I go to cut. So cut removes everything. So when I paste, so everything comes. But when I say copy, copy leaves a copy of something and still pastes it. So you come and paste, you see? So that is the clipboard. Then we go to font. Font, we have this, which is font. They are saying pick a new font for your text. So in case we need a new font for our text, we come and highlight. Then we come to this drop down. The drop down gives us various selections. We have Times New Roman, we have Arial Black, we have Impact, we have this, we have Cooper, we have this, we have. There are a lot to offer on this, okay? So I'm gonna choose one. For example, maybe Bell MT. Let me choose this one. So from there we have this one. Whenever you put a cursor on a section there, it gives its functionality. For example, when I put in there, they say font size. They are saying change the size of your text. If I want to do a shortcut, I press Ctrl Shift and P. So font size, you got the drop down, you can see different fonts. Was it? These are different fonts. So let's put 26. Hope you have seen how fonts, we put in fonts. So we go to this again. That is increase font size. That one also increases font size.
Make your text a bit bigger.
Yeah, you see, you just tap and it increases. Then this one is a decrease font size. So this one decreases, okay? This one increases.
You keep on tapping,
You keep on tapping as it increases, as it also decreases. So from there, I said you have change case. They say change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalizations. So when you go to the drop down, we have sentence case. A sentence case, I say, it is a normal sentence. For example, a normal sentence begins with a capital letter, and the rest are small letters plus maybe names which are in capital letters. Now our document is already in sentence case. So we go to lowercase. Lowercase, it puts everything in small letters. So I hope you see this is lower case.
Case.
Then uppercase, it is capital letter. It puts everything in the capital letters. So if you
in capital letters.
if you wrote something, maybe in small letters, you forgot to click caps lock on your keyboard, and you'd like to put it back in capital letters, you do not need to erase everything. What you need to do is just use change case feature with uppercase, then everything will be changed. Then we have capitalize each word. Capitalize each word. That at the beginning of each word, the beginning text or the beginning character is put in capital letter.
In capital letter.
Then we have this toggle case. Toggle case, it is the opposite of capitalize each word. So this one, the first word, the first letter
small.
is
It's the opposite,
small letter. It is the opposite of capitalize each word.
Mm.
So
Capitalize, yeah.
we go back to the sentence case. So now, from there we have bold. Bold makes the text more darker, or
bold.
It makes the color you chose more darker. For example, this is a black. When we click bold, you can see it is becoming more black. Italic. Italics, it gives the slanting words. Words become slanting. Are you seeing some difference? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is italic. Underline.
It's like
so it underlines our words.
sentences.
So we have different formats. We can have double underline. This one thick. We have dotted.
Dotted.
We have dashed.
Outline.
We have dot dashed. We have dot dashed. We have wave underline and much more. So then we have strike through. Then we have for example, I said this one. This is subscript and the superscript. So now,
typeface.
so here I said, for example, the very good example of subscript and superscript is if I want to say x to power 2, that is a 2 becomes, no, it does not.
Small.
So you come here and say, so it becomes a subscript. You can say 2 power 2 is plus power 2. So that one is a subscript. So now I can say now plus maybe x again to power 2, x to power 2. That is the mathematical expressions the teachers use it, okay? That's how they do this. So I can put this one in a subscript to make it base 2. You see? So that's how they do this. Here you can say equal sign. You can first remove a subscript, then you say equal sign, maybe x power 4. That's how they do it. They do the, I can say x maybe. I can make this for a superscript. You say, see how they do this?
Okay, yeah.
This is how teachers, you can say maybe x power y, no problem. You see, x power y. You can put y as a subscript or a superscript. So that is a subscript and the superscript.
Superscript.
Yes, subscript. You see, that's how teachers used to play around with formulas, and you could ask yourself how did this guy write this? But there was no any big deal, just that. So those you can put this one as well up. And put this one as well up. You see? So this is subscript and the superscript. Let's save. We have, let's select it again. We have this one, which is text effects and the topography. So this one is more so used in headings. You see, it changes. It has like 3D elements. You see outline, it has the outline color, you can change and put outline color. You see it has changed. It has the shadow. You can put the shadow effects. You can put the shadow effects if you want, you see. You can put the shadow. You see the shadow behind?
Yeah.
If you want, you go back and you can remove the shadow.
Draw.
You can say no shadow. You can put growth or reflection.
Reflection.
You see reflection? Did you see words are reflecting? Okay.
Yeah.
So you can put growth.
Grow.
This is growth. See, there is growth, reflection. So this is how text what and topography works out. Then we have text highlight color. Text highlight color, it simply highlights the what? The text. But when you use text highlight color, you must know the law of reflection, because you must be careful when using this feature. You must make sure that words do not get lost.
Yeah.
You must be good at selecting colors. Okay? You see? So now what else can we do? We have the font color as our font. See? This is our font color. So I don't want you to pump you with work. So what I want you to do, I'm going to save this video. I share it with you. You follow it very well. After following it very well, you do the same stuff. After doing the same stuff, you save. Let's go to save. Save, you go to file, then you save. Okay. If you want to save to PDF, you can say save as, then maybe to desktop. If you want to save it as a PDF, you click on a drop down button here. Click like this. Click that this, then PDF, save. So our text is in PDF. Our text is in PDF.
Soko lindeko, soko. Mbadde gambye soko lindeko mukama nga badde ankubye.
Okay.
Nkomye wanene kwa highlighting.
Okomye kuki?
Wanene obadde ogirira to choose color.
Yeah, I was saying here, these are text highlight colors that whenever you are using them, you must make sure that words do not get lost. Meaning that you must be selective with colors. Don't take a color when you write in something, the color behind it affects this text color. You must be so selective. Okay. Then I was saying this is the same. I was showing you about text highlight color. Then I was talking about how to save. Saving, you come to file. Yes. Come to file, then save. Okay. Or you can click here. This is save. Or you can click from your keyboard Control and S. Then
Control
and S.
Control
S.
S. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. If you want to save this to PDF, you come to file, then save as, then maybe to desktop or anywhere. Then you come here, save as type. You click on the drop down PDF. So
demo katidi.
you come to file, file.
Yeah.
Save as. Then you go to save as. You choose where to save. Maybe I need a desktop. Then you write in a name that you need. Then save as type. You go to this. Then PDF. You click save.
Save.
So this is our PDF. PDF documents are opened with Adobe Acrobat. the browsers. So that's how you can determine it is a PDF. From there, you can click close and see if your document is there. So your document is here. Let's go and see whether it is here in Office Word. It is here. So what you're going to do, I'm going to save this video and I share it with you. You follow step by step. You do a similar work. So after you submit and see the progress, okay?
Okay.
Who is Hawaii? Otherwise, thanks for attending.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Let me try it.
Try it out. I'm going to share it with you.
Yeah, kashare the WhatsApp, then I'll be trying pakasawa. Ila mbele yako pakasawa ngaramka.
Okay.
Yeah, share it. Thank you so much.
Welcome.